Alrighty, with that thumbs up from our head referee, let's count down qualification match number 1 in 3, 2, 1, go!
And qualification match number 1 begins at the Woo League tournament. We already have both of the Red Alliance robots making long shots, one from the of the launch zone, another from the front of the launch zone. So far, currently 4 purple artifacts in the red classifier ramp, currently with a 1-0 as 24620, that is deep charge, attempting to have goals into the red goal. Current score stands at 24-0 at the end of autonomous.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
With a live score of 24-3 for blue, we now begin our 2-minute teleoperative period. Drivers have picked up their controllers after robots have moved by themselves. Currently on the blue classifier ramp there, we do see 2 purple artifacts. Our current motif pattern is purple, green, purple. So for each artifact individually in that multiple index position, they will earn an additional 2 bonus points at the end of this teleop. So far, red robot deep charge opening up that red classifier ramp. That will more artifacts to go into that classifier ramp, with additional shots from 17-239, that is Beach Bot, picking up with currently 1 and a little bit more of artifacts from the red secret tunnel. Well, they'll come back to find some more artifacts. Blue side of the field, we have 27349, that is the Nelson Girls robotics team, lining up right against the blue goal to make some shots into their classifier ramp, currently still at 3, with a live score of 59-28 for your Red Alliance. Deep charge back at the launch zone with looks like 3 artifacts going in and filling up that red classifier ramp. We'll have to see if they decide to open up that classifier ramp as we're nearing the end of the match with 40 seconds left. We'll see if they make time for that. The significance of that ramp is for each artifact that stays on that ramp, it is 3 points, but as you see on the red ramp, for each artifact that just goes over all other artifacts, it is only 1 point. This looks like at this time the Red Alliance is electing to keep that ramp closed for the pattern points that we will see. 20 seconds remaining, that is our end game period. Robots are beginning to return back to their base with 1 shot flying past me. Another 10 seconds go, 26-135, that is Ouroboros parked in their base zone, with the remaining robots returning to the base zones as well for the Red Alliance in blue, all back in their base zones. And as we call time at 000, referees are going to take a little bit of time to finalize these scores, and we'll have them momentarily.